Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making one of the most famous Arabian dishes, delicious Gulf chicken kabsa. This recipe is full of warm spices, tender chicken, and flavorful rice that will make your kitchen smell amazing. First, heat some oil in a large pot and sauté chopped onions until golden. Add cinnamon, bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, cumin, black pepper, yams. Now add the chicken piece and garlic. Black pepper, cumin, coriander seeds, paprika, zinger, tomatoes and tomato paste, then mix well and cook them with the spices. Pour in hot water and let the chicken simmer until tender and juicy. Wash the basmati rice and add it to the flavorful broth. Cover the pot and cook on low heat until the rice becomes fluffy and absorbs all the rich kabsa flavors. To complete our delicious Gulf chicken kabsa, let's make a fresh and creamy cucumber yogurt salad. In a bowl, add finely chopped cucumber, fresh yogurt, dry mint, salt and black pepper, lemon juice, minced garlic, and mix everything together until creamy and stir well, and chill the salad for a few minutes before serving. This cool and refreshing salad is the perfect side dish for spicy and flavorful kabsa. Serve it cold and enjoy every bite. Serve your Gulf kabsa with roasted nuts, raisins, and fresh salad for the perfect meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next delicious recipe with Chef Samo.